Welcome my dear students for this MOOC course on Abhidhamma. Today we are going to discuss the module and introduction of establishment of Matika matrix in Dhammasangani. The learning objective of this module is to make you understanding the Matika and its establishment in the Dhammasangani, the first book of Abhidhamma Pitaka, as well as the meaning of the Dhammasangani. Abhidhamma is the excellent and profound teachings of the Buddha. It prescribes the four reals of Abhidhamma, as namely Chitta, consciousness, Chetasik, psychic factors, Rupa, material qualities, and a state of eternal bliss, Nibbana. It has been discussed in the 7 texts of Abhidhamma Pitaka, which have been grouped in the following order: Dhammasangani, Vibhanga, Dhatu Katha, Puggalpayati, Kathavathu, Yamak and Patthana. The tradition attributes these books to the Buddha himself, but as a matter of fact, they must have been produced during a period of 200 or 300 years, beginning from the 2nd or 3rd century after the Buddha's death. The books may be considered in 3 groups according to their time of compilation: early, middle and late groups. The Vibhanga, Dhammasangani and Puggalpayati belong to the first period. The Dhatu Katha and Kathavathu belong to the middle period, and the Yamak and the Pathan to the late period. Before going to study these texts of Abhidhamma Pitaka, we are going to discuss briefly about Matika. The Abhidhammic way of treating the Dhammas is generally understood as Uddesh and Nirdeshanaya. The former consists in establishing the Matika or table of contents, and the latter deals with minute details. The Matikas are the outlines of the subject, which are expanded in the text under different heads. The module is divided into 2 parts. In the first part, we will analyze the term Matika. The second part deals with the Matika system as presented in the Dhammasangani. Let us discuss what is the meaning of the term Matika. The word Matika may be interpreted as Matrika or Mataka, that belongs to mother. Therefore, it means that Matika is in the sense of mother. Just as a small baby lives in the womb of mother, and that being born after some time develops, grows into a man after the care of mother. Similarly, the Matika, though small in nature, contains deep meaning and later develops into a complete structural argument concerning particular states or conditioned states, things. Therefore, as the mother, the Matika keeps and helps in the development of the various Dhammas of Abhidhamma. The word Matika may also be compared to a mold or matrix, as is used for casting metal, as has been suggested by the Reverend Yanatiloka. Another alternative rendering for Matika is schedule, as used by Bhikkhu Yanamoli in his English translation of Visuddhimagga. In Nagarjuna Konda inscription, there occurs the expression Panchamatuka, which is an irregular form of Panchamatika. Here, the term Panchamatika refers to 5 and not 7 of the Abhidhamma text. Perhaps the 2 texts omitted are the Pathan and Kathavathu, which were later added to the Abhidhamma text. Thus, the Matikas are points, angles, visions, or the potential sets through which light has been thrown on the nature of the 4 reals of Abhidhamma. The Dhammas, first of all, have been treated with the help of Matikas and all the various aspects through which light has been thrown on the four reals have been enumerated. The Matikas are of two types, Abhidhamma Matika and Sutanta Matika. Abhidhamma Matika is also of two types, Tikka Matika and Dukkha Matika. Tikka Matika are 22 in number and Dukkha Matika are 100 in number. Each Tikka Matika has 3 questions and each Dukkha Matika has 2 questions. Thus, there are altogether 266 types of vision in explaining the 4 reals of Abhidhamma. There are again Sutanta Matika, 42 in number. Each of them is Dukkha Matika, containing 2 questions in each. Thus, there are 84 questions enumerating 84 angles explaining the nature of the Dhamma. In the Abhidhammic text, there are 122 Abhidhamma Matika and 42 Sutanta Matika in Dhammasangani. 18 Matikas in Vibhanga, 14 Matikas in Dhatukatha, 6 Matika in Puggal Panyatti and 24 Matika in Pathan.